Good morning, good morning. It's your boy out here, yes sir. Applying Pressure LLC, man. I just decided to go ahead and do this little vlog thing. I might as well, since a lot of people be kind of interested in it, man. I feel like we get enough reaction on Facebook and stuff that we might as well just go ahead and, I don't know, try to put some things together, man. For real. But yeah, so today we have a deck clean. We have a fence clean, basically the part of the fence that faces the road in every subdivision, like between the homes. We're doing that. We are doing the concrete clean along with the curb. And I think that'll be it. So let's get the day started. I'm waiting on my boy Monte to come out with his little head. Yes, sir, but I hope y'all out there have a great day, man. Enjoy the vlog. Yeah! Yes, sir. So we done finally got to the house. And my boy back there unwinding the hose down the street. All right. So this is what we have. We have a wood deck, as I was speaking of. A wood deck. I'm gonna hit the pergola above me right here. Also try to get some of this green algae out. And hey, we're gonna be out. You know how we do. Yeah! All right, everybody, just a little update of where we are right now. We've already done the deck behind me. Let's see if I can. Got it all nice and clean. Up there. We've done the house under there. And we got the Monte doing, oh, we also had to hit all around here. Yeah, so we pretty much moving along. We got another driveway and a back patio, but it says it's supposed to rain, so I don't know. We're gonna try to see. All right, walk around here and see what Monte doing. Also hit the front of that fence. We hit the gutters. We gotta come back through doing the surface clean now. Yes, sir. So almost done. Gonna wrap up on this one and keep it moving.
Drum dummy.
Yes, sir. Here we are back again at another home. Here we just doing basically a concrete clean. I'm basically spotting right now. My guy doing the surface clean. Yes, sir. We're gonna see how this one turn out. Look at the driveway. We're gonna have some great results off of this one. Yes, sir. We done made it back. We done beat the rain. This guy still in the truck. But yeah, it's been a good day so far, man. We got 2 houses that we done did. Everything's great. Yes, sir. So as you can see, the rain done got to us. We got the 2 jobs out the way that we wanted to do. So we met our goal for the day. We didn't have to call or reschedule nobody, so that's always good. But yeah, man, tune in next time. See what we got going on. You never know. Sometimes we find new jobs that it's our first time doing it. Sometimes we're doing like a pro, but we know what we're doing. You know, so we appreciate y'all. If y'all need your pressure washing, get at us, Applying Pressure LLC. Or you can get us at Facebook, Applying Pressure LLC. Same thing on Instagram. Also check out our website. But yeah, man, hit us up.